Yeah, guys. Oh, it's very strong wind and snowstorm. As you see, let me show you. I will go there for camping. Yeah. Oh my God, that is strong. I don't have snow. Oh, what's heavy storm? Oh my God. I can't even stand up because it's very strong wind and oh, oh, oh my God, my ah. Very strong wind. Oh my God. Yeah, as you see in the video, it's very difficult to hold the top in the place. So, and it's very small top, so I didn't use it before. So this was my first time, and I start to realize that this top is very small for me, and maybe I should drop it. Oh, it's very difficult. When I fixed the other side is broken because of this. Oh! So, I think, yeah, what should I do? Oh my God. My carve is not too long and I can get it. I'm giving up here. The top is too small. Unfortunately, I don't have a tent with me this time. So maybe I should stay without top, without tent. Maybe I should make a hole, a snow hole.
Strong wind. Maybe I should make a snow hole. Yeah. Oh, I didn't expect so strong wind.
Yeah, I'm thinking that I can't make a snow hole because it's not a lot of snow, about 1 meter. So it's very difficult to make a snow hole. And I am thinking that I should go home, and yeah, before I go home, I will make my dinner. I'm thirsty and hungry.
I'm just thinking, I'm not sure. I didn't. Maybe I should stay here tonight, maybe I not. Oh.
This is the light I am going to use in this Christmas light.
This is very becomes darkness.
I have power bank here, and I can use it for lighting and charging my device. Sorry guys, the quality of my audio. My GoPro was frozen. I didn't see. Yeah, the ice covered to my microphone, and I didn't know before now. Here I'm preparing my multi-fuel burner, and I'm making dinner. It was freezing cold, and I was very cold in my finger, and I'm trying to start my multi-fuel burner. As you see in the video, it was strong wind, and the wind take it down my GoPro. Yes, for dinner I have meat that I made at home, and I have rice with me. So you just warm it, and it's ready to eat. While I am waiting for my dinner, I am sitting here and enjoying my Fanta. I was very thirsty and hungry. This is how I party, and I'm enjoying every moment of the time. It smells amazing when you are hungry.
I'm hungry.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Now the food is ready. Oh, it tastes amazing. I wish you have been here with me and eating my dinner.
Yeah, I think I should go home. I'm suited by the weather and by nature. So today is not my day, and I don't want to freeze here. And how I
Yeah, I'm defeated by weather, and today is not my day. I don't have my tent with me today, and I have only a tarp. It's a very strong wind, and maybe I should go home.
Oh my god. Look at this. Frozen. Yeah.
I'm in my car. The time is 9 o'clock in the night. So now I am going home. Goodbye, and see you next time.